Hey guys, welcome back to another video and happy Sunday. How are you guys doing today? I know you guys see the thumbnail. I know you guys see the title. And yes, you start to watch the video. We are gonna bust down some fish. Now, I finished cleaning. I was like, we are gonna make some fish tonight. I already took care of the fish, seasoned the fish and everything, put it back in the fridge. And I was like, okay then. I said to my husband, you could get pizza for the kids, but I got fish that we are gonna eat. Now, these fish were already seasoned and they look so juicy. They look so good. So we're gonna be making steamed fish in some coconut milk. It's my absolutely favorite. I normally use just making steamed fish without the coconut milk, but when I tell you that juice from the coconut milk, it is everything. Now we're gonna get into it. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Let's start prepping this seasoning. Now we will be using okra. Oh, how is it pronounced though? Pumpkin, carrots, scallion thyme, and bell peppers. I like to use green bell peppers. Most of the times I'll use red, but I didn't have any red. So I think, is this yellow or orange? So I used that one. Now I'm gonna get into it. Like, this is one of my favorite things to do. And I'm not gonna lie, since the past probably 3 weeks, I've been making this like twice per week because I just fall in love with it and I figure out how to make it better each time I do it. And girl, let me tell you something. Yeah, you know what? My mom, we had some bami from Jamaica, the little small ones. They're done. When I started to do this, I was eating 2-3 of it. Jag, you can test to it. I made this for you. Now, I added butter and I'm just going to add all the seasonings. I will not put the okra into it because I want it to be crunchy. So I'll leave it for last for when we add the fish to it. So the pumpkin, everything, we're going to do that. Saute it for a minute and then go in with some, what is it called? Some pumpkin soup and the coconut milk. So absolutely the best. Okay, those mixtures, girl, it did what it's supposed to do. So as you guys see, like, you can see what I'm doing. You see all the vegetables and stuff that I added to it. Now we're making the coconut milk. I'm just gonna add some water, and yes, it's gonna look kind of a way at first, but once that boils down, it's gonna get thick, and then the pumpkin mix in it, and it's just everything. And further on, I like to add salt to my coconut milk just so we don't get any bottom around here. Y'all know I don't have that, so that's what it is. And we're just gonna let that simmer down. So guys, because I didn't have the bami, I decided to add a piece of corn because I wanted to make sure that my belly is full. My fish and meat season, Mrs. Dash afterwards, because I already seasoned the fish. So I'm just adding a little bit more jazz to it so that it's flavorful. And yeah, I added the corn. Absolutely, this is the first time actually I'm adding the corn, but it was everything, okay? It was everything in that coconut milk. No, the pepper that I have is from Jamaica. And when I tell you the flavor in the fish, I added a green pepper and then I added a piece that I had with the seed. Oh, girl, the flavor is everything. I'm telling y'all. Now, when I add the fish, I like to take up all the veggies because by now they're already cooked. See, the pumpkin is cooked. And make sure the fish go down so all the water and the juice cover the fish so it can steam properly. And then I'll go and add the okra to it and just keep on, kind of making sure all the juice go over the fish, and like the corn and the okra stays at the bottom so they can cook as well. Now we know that the fish is going to spring a little bit more water, so everything is going to simmer down together, the flavor from the fish in the coconut milk, then the fish is steamed, and then voila, look at that, it's almost time. So let me tell you guys what happened now. I took out the plates because this is dinner for me and my husband. He was not really feeling the steamed fish, I'm not gonna lie. He doesn't really like the steamed fish, right? Vanessa came over and me and her eat the steamed fish. I gave her a cuisine one. I actually seasoned 4 fish. When the video started, you guys saw 4 fish. So in the night, I had to fry him the fish. Actually, I fried both fish. And I put the onion and the carrots over it. And I did some sweet plantain / ripe plantain. And it was everything. So me and Vanessa actually eat this. As soon as I'm done sharing, she was at the door. So she was like, oh my God, where's my fish? And Christian came in after getting the pizza for the kids. And he was like, I would rather the fried fish. And I was like, okay, then I still have fish seasoned. So Vanessa, we're going to eat this. And then I'll make him the fried fish. That's what we did. I didn't record this part because while I was doing that, I was actually cleaning up again, you know. So it's time for me to eat, and I'm drinking some lemonade. And this was Friday night. It was Friday night, yes. Hence why the kids got pizza. So it's time for me to eat, go in. You see my plate? Look, I was enjoying every bit of this. It was everything. I wish I could cook this for everybody that's watching the video. It's really good. It is that time. Clean up and everything. I don't want to set the vibe in my house. So everyone is in bed. And I had my flowers. And I was like, you know what? We're going to make a floral arrangement. These are absolutely beautiful. I think this is the first time getting these. Honestly, I don't know the name. Don't ask. I just think they're beautiful, and I decided to add a little bit of red in the kitchen because it's also Christmas. So yeah, we're gonna add the flower food to it, make sure everything fit the vase. Guys, you know the story of this vase, right? So I bought this one on Amazon for $30-something, and it was on sale because it was trending. Tell me why about 2 or 3 weeks ago I had posted in my weekly vlog I saw the same vase in Home Goods for only $9.99. So this is the one from Amazon. I decided to keep this in the kitchen to make my floral arrangements, and then the one from Home Goods, I have it on my nightstand in my bedroom because I will be adding flowers to my bedroom. Yes, now I do have the plant that was in the living room because we put up the Christmas tree. So once Christmas is over, I'm going to take it out, and then we're going to add the flowers on top of the dresser instead of having the plant in the corner. That's what I want to do. So yeah, anyway, making this floral arrangement, it is absolutely beautiful. There are red roses inside. I don't know what the rest are called, but I know that I like to add ice to it. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of bleach. Don't ask me because I just see people do it. Some people add sugar. I don't know what's going on, but they do. And when I do, they last. So the only thing I had right now was the flower food, and that was it. So we're just gonna make this, let it sit. We'll light a candle, get the house smelling fresh, because I like to light my candles and let them sit right there. Like after 30 minutes, it starts to smell up the home. As soon as you burn it, you don't smell it. But like after 30 minutes, you said yes. And this candle is everything. I'll tell you guys about it. Let me tell you about it, okay? Okay? You ready? I love it. And this is a small business, so for them to spend so much time and do that, look at my flowers, it looks so good. Yes, now it's time to light my candle, all things Christmas from Jaggy Central Candle. You guys see that I'm burning it. Once it starts to burn for probably over 30 minutes, there's some like stuff inside of it. I don't want to say it's crystal, but she had placed stuff inside of it. So once you start burning it, you'll see them, and they are everything. I don't know if they're scents, but they just look so cute. So this is like a Christmas candle. You guys should get this. Check out our website. Absolutely love it. Now the vibe is set, the mood is set, flowers is arranged, and we light the candle. It's time to go relax. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. I will be doing cooking videos as well. I feel like that's the thing. Once I'm cooking, I can show you guys what I'm cooking. I probably could learn something from you guys in the comment section, or you can learn from me. I love you guys. God is love, and bye.